Hello everyone and welcome to Robinson's Place, Antipolo. And happy Father's Day, by the way. And of course, we are in day 2 of leg 5 of the PBA 3x3 third conference as we continue with more of the action. This is going to be a big day. We're going to be finding out who the big 3 winners will be as we move along to the action. Once again, hello and welcome. And right now we are just about to start with our first game. Let's call the 2 teams, starting off with TNT Tropang Giga. Starting off this player from Lanao del Norte, number 6, Raymart Acuno. From Nueva Ecija, number 9, Samboy de Leon. From Bicol at number 26, Salmon Vosotros. From Davao City at number 29, Brian Mendoza. Coach of TNT Tropang Giga, Coach Mau Belen. And they're going to be battling it out with this team, Meralco Bulls. From Quezon City at number 1, JJ Espanola. From Cebu at number 7, Alfred Batino. From Guagua, Pampanga at number 9, Dexter Marquez. From Cebu at number 15, Joseph Sedorifa. Coach of the Meralco Bulls is Coach Patrick Fran. Our referees for this game, Roldan Johnson, Jeff Tantay. We're going to be finding out who will be the big winners. 100,000 first place. Second place will get 50,000. Third place will get 30,000 pesos. And on we go with this first game of ours. Welcome once again, Robinson.
Unfortunately for the defending champions, Coach Mau Belen will be missing the games today. She has a flight this morning going to Dubai to attend a FIBA basketball seminar. But Assistant Coach Ranidel de Ocampo has nothing but praises para dito kay Coach Mau Belen. Bilib na bilib daw talaga siya kung paano chinaga ni Coach Mau na buuin itong team na to mula pa lang daw nung first conference. She is so dedicated as a head coach, instilling in the team that winning habit that we can see right now. Kaya abangan natin if TNT can keep Coach Mau in mind today as they get their 4th championship this leg. Back to the panel.
Thank you for that courtside report, Ms. Ira Pablo. TNT at Meralco, parehong walang talo. TNT tinalo ang Sister Super Sealers 21-19 and then defeated the Zamboanga Valientes 19-17. Meralco on the other side won against Valientes 21-15 and then the Sister Super Sealers 21-9. Kaya nga po, dalawang undefeated teams ang magtatapat as we start our proceedings here in day 2 for our 5th leg ng ating PBA 3x3 lakas ng tatlo third conference. Very limited opportunities, Coach Ronnie, to still get those points to make it into the Grand Finals, and more importantly for the teams na nasa taas to get one of those top 4 spots.
Hindi madali makarating sa Grand Finals. Napakahirap manalo ng isang leg. What more, manalo ng isang Grand Finals. And these 2 teams, maganda yung pinapakita, pero magkakaalaman pagdating sa dulo, sino talaga yung merong sapat na lakas para sa duluhan na laban.
Itong si Joseph Sedorifa, patuloy ang ganda ng shooting mula sa labas as he has been lifting the offense for Meralco. Turnover there against TNT and they cleared it immediately. Sedorifa looking for his options. Shot clock is at 2. Sedorifa nahihirapan. Finally, he wiggles free, but that shot will not fall. Marquez still gets him an extra possession.
Nagpapakita ng tulad si Dexter Marquez, even against the smaller na counterpart.
Poposte, itong si Batino. Good pivot move as he escapes for the basket.
One thing that you have to do when you play TNT is you have to close out right away. At yan ang pinakamahirap gawin laban sa kanila kasi pag pihit, pag dribble, nakakasa agad. Meralco needs to try and limit their turnovers and keep on attacking inside na siyang major strength ng double big na combo ni Coach Patrick Fran.
Coach, alam naman natin, walang madaling laro dito sa 3x3, especially when you reach the quarterfinals. But the prize for the winner of this matchup is yung number 2 seed, yung makakalaban mo coming from Pool D.
Tama yan. Pero minsan, pag hindi rin umayon para sa'yo, maski yung pangalawa, minsan yun ang mas malakas eh.
At saka, hindi mo rin mapapagandaan, coach, kasi hindi natin alam kung
Hindi mo
limitless Cavitex or pure food si
Hindi mo
magiging
alam.
number 2 seed.
Hindi mo talaga alam.
Kaya nga, yung importante na lang, gawin ng mga kupunan, respect the game, don't plan for the quarterfinal matchup or whatever, just go hard to win it all.
Sa atin, madaling sabihin. Sa mga coaches, kasama yan sa kanilang mga plano para at least may handa mo yung sarili mo. More than the players, yung sarili mo eh. Dahil yung paggawa ng game plan, hindi rin madali.
Yep.
Alam mo, may kasamang pagkaduling at pagkahilo minsan yung preparasyon dahil hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa. Minsan 4 yung nilalaro nila sa loob ng isang araw.
So, 4 na iba-ibang game plan yung hinahanda ng coach.
Exactly. Tapos, hindi yan sa loob ng 5 oras na pagitan o sa gabi na yung susunod. As take a look at this nice setup coming from Española, who is playing for the Meralco Bulls unit for the first time. Dahil kung merong team na bihira magpalit ng roster unless may masaktan, ito yung Meralco.
Their third round draft pick noong nakaraang PBA rookie draft. JJ Española proving to be a good addition in the place of Tonino Gonzaga. As the one-hander is good for Acudo. Española, that shot is good for 2.
Difficult.
Parang yung mga mahihirap na tinitira ni Tonino Gonzaga, kaya rin gawin ni Española eh. Look at that, creating the separation. A little short though on the mid-range jumper.
Not this time.
Ryan Mendoza mula sa labas drains the 2-point shot. It's 7-5, still in favor of the Meralco Bulls.
Wala talagang safe na lamang pag TNT ang kalaban.
Yeah. They could come back into any game rather quickly. Segurifa, second effort, wala pa rin. Third effort, pumasok na. So many opportunities for him. Oh, but a quick pass down low. Mintis nga lang si Acuno. Dalawang sunod na mintis, tutukan. Yan yung mga nakakapanghinayang.
Yung hinayang parang kasama sa pangalan ng mga teams sa bawat leg na nakita natin maging sa Grand Finals. Under 7 minutes, 3 kalamangan ng Meralco, 2 team fouls para sa TNT. Napakaagang pagtutuos sa pagitan ng dalawa sa pinakamatibay na mga teams.
May guess mula sa labas, 2-point shot.
Oh,
Falls in.
Dexter Maikes was responsible for that one leg win ng Meralco dun sa buzzer beater niya when the game was in extra time.
Talagang hinanap niya yung 2-point shot na yun eh.
Tama. Tama.
Naalala ko yung play eh. Si Batino bibigay sa kanya.
Transition niya.
Kumangkat sa ilalim. Tapos biglang si Dex. Hindi.
Tumakbo.
Hindi. Ilalabas kong buo.
He made a perimeter player decision, no, na hindi atakin sa loob, kundi umatake sa labas at hindi na mapabalik yung possession sa kalaban.
Na naiintindihan ko rin, coach, kasi dun sa game na yun parang pagod na lahat ng players. Gusto tapusin agad yung laban.
Pagod na pagod yung players, period. Kasi sunod-sunod eh. Hindi naman tayo halos tumigil.
Good basket inside as the Meralco Bulls are looking good in this matchup. Leading by 7 all of a sudden. Sampoy De Leon could not sink it.
Walang natutunan ko rito, looking good is not enough.
Kailangan subukan pa rin dagdagan ng kanilang kalamangan. Dexter Maikes. They run out of time. Masyadong matagal.
Parang nagloko yung ating shot clock doon. So ito-double check ng ating mga game official, but this is that nice feed. Big to big interior passing. 7.8 para sa Meralco laban sa TNT. Na ang TNT sanay na nalalamangan.
Yeah.
Pero mas sanay na humahabol sa dulo. At naipapanalo.
So, dahil yan lagi, pag kinakailangan, umiinit itong si Almond Bosotro. So tignan natin kung may ganun bang kaganapan dito sa ating unang laro for day 2. Can he heat up at this stage? As TNT is down by 7 points, 12-5.
Twice crowned as the scoring king in the first conference and in the second conference. And right now, Almon Vosotros is at 162 points in 21 games played. Heading into leg 5, Sedrifa is right behind Vosotros, 29 points away at 133. Tied with Joseph Mariobu, both with 133 points apiece.
Pero iba kasi talaga yung bentahe nung lagi kang nagpa-finals.
Oo naman. Vosotros has also hit 52 pointers already. 11 better than Chris De Chavez, who is at second. That means 100 of his 162 points galing sa 2-ball.
So it's a refresh on the shot clock. Vosotros, ayan na nga sa
Defensive breakdown para dito sa Meralco. And Vosotros, dangerous when it starts heating up.
Vosotros, kahit anong lamang ng kalaban, does not care one bit. He knows that a couple of two-point shots could change the direction of the matchup. Ganda ng ikot ni Batino, but another miss inside. Vosotros, two-point shot, rattles out.
And Batino's been missing from inside.
Sabi ni Graham, sorry. Tinamaan siya sa mukha itong si Batino. As a foul was called by the referee. At tutungo na po tayo sa ating PB timeout. As we only have 4 minutes and 59 remaining in this matchup. Coach, unang uminit ang opensa ng Meralco. Pero yung TNT nagbabadyang kumabol. As we look at the score points, yung sa taas, it's pretty much a clear race. No? TNT, Meralco, Pure Foods, and Platinum Karaoke with Capitex Braves right behind them, attempting to dislodge one of those. Pero yung interesante, yung dito sa baba, including the second conference champions, Pioneer Pro Tibay, because currently, they're on the outside looking in, and they're already eliminated from our 5th leg. Kaya dapat gumawa sila ng paraan. They need to make a run for it in the 6th leg.
Tama. Another miss from Meralco from within. Easily, this could have been an 8 or 9 point lead for Meralco. Past the halfway mark.
But yung mga sorry misses, allowing TNT to stay within striking distance. Kumalas yung depensa. Sinulit naman ni Graham Mendoza as he scores inside. Only a 4-point lead now.
Another defensive breakdown for Meralco. 3 points in 2 possessions para dito sa TNT.
Sedrifa had to kick it out. That shot is good. Only a 1-point shot though. Put on the line for Dexter Miguel. Samboy momentarily lost control of the ball. Vosotros to De Leon, 2-point shot, no.
Look at Mendoza.
Ooh. Paangat na, bibigyan ng free throw itong si Graham Mendoza.
Outworking itong si Joseph Sedrifa. Yan ang template ng TNT. The ability to work harder. Their opponents constantly. Kaya mapakahirap nilang talunin, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa duluhan.
Only the second team foul of the Meralco Bolts as they're protecting a 5-point lead, 13-8. Graham Mendoza on the free throw line now for 1. Doesn't get it. But Acuno quicker to the loose ball. Acuno binigay kay De Leon. Magpapahinga si Almon Vosotros. De Leon must generate some offense here. Couple of fakes. Nakapagpakagat, and now he is headed to the free throw line.
TNT making its move, charging back. Ang trigger dyan ng habol ng TNT, pag tumama na si Vosotros, it's Vosotros time. Under 4 minutes. TNT with 4 fouls, Meralco with 3. That was a critical offensive rebound para sa TNT.
Napaka-iksi nung naging pahinga ni Almon Vosotros as they need him on the floor to pump up the offense para dito sa TNT. Española goes to Mike Batino now, playing too big. Handoff papunta sa guardia. Española to Batino. Minadali yung tira and they get the ball
another
back.
Miss.
Española sees the opening. Another miss inside.
Another layup missed by Meralco again.
Meralco is getting their chances to extend their lead. And then another foul is called here against Meralco.
At pareho na silang may 4 na team fouls. Kanina, Meralco wala. TNT 3. TNT playing faster the last few possessions.
3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining sa ating unang laro. In today's proceedings, yung pasa nasipa itong si Española.
Good
so
recovery.
We will have a reset on the shot clock.
Could have been another defensive mistake para dito sa blue shirts.
So far, they've limited the damage na pwedeng gawin itong si Almond Vosotros. And that shot was also well defended by Sedurifa. Sedurifa gets the handoff from Batino. He steps back. 2 seconds to shoot. Sedurifa must make a move.
Difficult.
Pero si Batino outworking everyone for the rebound as he sets up Sedurifa.
Finally, they find the basket.
Vosotros, siya naman yung maglimintis sa loob.
Nakita mo yung pagod na sinasabi ko? Yung mga sablay na malapitan, kasama na yung fatigue dyan.
Gandang galaw mula kay Batino, sinagasaan. Itong si
straight.
Acuno.
And both teams will commit their 5th team fouls. Lagi natin binabanggit yan dahil crucial yan. Pag nag-penalty ka, magbibigay ka ng 2 free throws. At pag nag-foul ka sa 2-point shot at na-shoot plus 2 free throws, pwedeng 4 points in 1 possession ang makuha ng kalaban.
So it was a double foul called. Pero tingnan muna natin tong atake. Itong si Batino Acuno trying to convince the referee to call an offensive foul with a hook. The referee saying play on as Batino inches Meralco closer to 21 points. Samboy napilitang kumira dahil walang nangyaring galaw sa
What I
opensa.
was about to say, talagang titirahan ni Samboy si Dexter kasi layo ni Dexter Maiquez. And I thought that Maiquez was lucky in that last offensive possession ng TNT kasi ang tagal nang nakakasan ni Samboy de Leon.
6-point lead here. Mid-range jumper, no good for Española. May oras pa itong TNT. Mendoza, another sorry miss from the outside. Pangalawa na yan, ha? Na muntik mahulog for TNT.
Umahon lang palabas.
But the ball will stay on the side of the Tropang Giga. 2 minutes and 6 seconds. You know, TNT yung kalibre nila. They've gotten back from bigger deficits. Pero si Española nakanakaw. He sent it out to Sedurifa. Good entry pass. Next term, Maiquez, their layup is good.
Maiquez is finishing well around the basket right now. Maiquez is total of 7 points.
Vosotros, sorry, was fouled.
Normally, Vosotros scores really well and really reaches about 10 to 12 points whenever they play TNT. But right now, Vosotros has a total of 2 points and this team is led by Mendoza's 4 points. Meralco up by 7 with this much time left in this first match dito sa ating day 2.
De Leon handoff, Vosotros. Mintis yung tira. As he's really struggling to get going dahil magkakilala na nga itong magkabilang kapunan. They have an idea of the plays that the other is running.
Oo, pero yung, alam mo yung magagaling na teams, yun yung mga alam ng kalaban yung gagawin pero hindi pa rin mabantayan.
Tulad nito. Batino mauubusan nga lang ng oras. Masyadong
matagal, oo. Simple lang yan. Pag nagtatang dribble ka sa loob, that's equivalent to 3 seconds already. 2 siguro max.
Kaya Almond, medyo may frustration sa mga pangyayari dito sa larong ito. As Mendoza creates the separation. Mid-range jumper no good. Sedurifa pinulot ang rebound. Handoff, pabalik kay Sedurifa. As the clock is slowly ticking away here against TNT. Sedoripa, layup is good. Tapos well covered si Vosotros, hindi makatransition ng TNT.
Not a good foul by Sedoripa because that will put them in penalty. At ito ang gagataasan ng TNT sigurado para makabalik. So Meralco has won the first 9 minutes of this game so far. But let's see. Again, I will reiterate this. If there's one team who has the ability to come back quickly and still beat you in the end, that's TNT.
Pero with 57.8, this will have to be a major meltdown for Meralco to pick this up.
This is a team that does not make too many mistakes in the end. And like Platinum, pareho ng Platinum, sila yung may kakayahan na balikta rin yung tema ng laban. I've seen it happen time and again, but let's see. As Vosotros has only fired 2 points versus Meralco's tough defense so far.
Meralco dito, if someone gets free inside, bigay mo na lang yung isa, no? Kesa mag-foul.
Exactly. Ang hindi nagagawa ng TNT is to shoot the ball well.
Yeah. So, nagsusunog ng oras. Itong Meralco, Sedoripa gets the big man on him. Pulls up from the outside. That's good.
That's big.
He got the matchup na gusto niya. Sinulit naman ni Sedoripa yung kanyang liksik, creating the separation for the 2-point shot. De Leon gets the banker to drop, pero masyado ng malaki, masyado ng malayo ang Meralco. Sedoripa umatake, left layup, wala yan. Apek pumunta kay Vosotros. He will try to add to his tally, but that just encapsulates the performance of TNT as a team here in their first game.
Bihirang mangyari pero nangyari and Meralco will take it. They will finally get past TNT, a team that has beaten them repeatedly, but Meralco will draw from blood dito sa ating day 2 ng ating leg 5.
Ang ating best player, the guy who really got things going for the Meralco Bolts. Nakatira mula sa labas. Efficient from inside. Good number of rebounds as well. He was perfect. 5 of 5 in the field for Dexter, my guess. At siya ang mamumuno sa Meralco Bolts as they defeat the TNT Tropang Giga.